Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 1999 90 horse Yamaha 2-stroke. Compression was 125 on all 3 cylinders. It's oil injected, tilt and trim, 20-inch, fresh spark plugs, fresh water pump impeller. Carbs have been checked out and gone through, cleaned. What else? Freshwater motor, 1 owner. I bought it from the original owner last week. Let's see what else we got here. Comes with a prop, and it comes with a good use control box. Like I said, it's 20-inch, got tilt and trim, and again, it's a 2-stroke, not a 4-stroke. Put your oil in on the top up here. That's where you get your oil from for being an oil-injected engine. We'll fire it up and get it running here. Pumping good water. That's our fan in the background you hear running. We'll warm up a little bit here. Nice clean engine. It'll be cleaned up a lot more once we get it out of the tank. Shit's falling off the ceiling. Thing's ready to go. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral again. Trim and tilt. Got it in the control box, and it'll also have it on the motor. Shut her off. Fire it back up. She's ready to roll. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great summer.